Hello, today we are going to see the question from GATE 2021 Set 1 from the subject data structure under the topic stack and queue. Please pause this video for a minute and try to solve this question on your own and then start this video to know the exact solution of this question. Here we are given one empty stack and one empty queue and we have asked to perform certain operations onto it. We all know that stack follows the LIFO principle, that is, the last item to be inserted into a stack is the first one to be deleted from it. Or we can say that insertion and deletion of the element into the stack happens only from one position. So we have to push 54 first. So we will increment the top of the stack pointer from -1 to 0 and we will push 54 onto it. Now we have to push 52 onto it. So again, the top of the stack pointer will get increment from 0 to 1 and then we will push 52 onto the stack. Now we have to pop one element. So 52 will get deleted from here and our new stack will look like this. Now we have to push 55 here. So top of the stack will become 1 and 55 will come here. Now we have to push 62 onto it. So top of the stack will become 62 and we have inserted 62 here. Now we have to pop one element and we have to store that element into the variable s. So 62 will get deleted from here and it will get stored into the variable s. Now we are given one empty queue. We all know that empty queue maintains two pointer, that is front and rear pointer, where the insertion happens from the rear and deletion happens from the front pointer. So we have to first enqueue 21 onto it. So rear pointer will get incremented from -1 to 0 and we have to enqueue 21 here. Now we have to enqueue 24 onto it. So rear pointer will again become 1 from 0 and then we will enqueue 24 into the queue. Now we have to dequeue it. So 21 will get deleted from here and front pointer will become 0 now, that is it will point to 24 now. Now we have to enqueue 28, so rear pointer will get incremented from 1 to 2 and 28 will come here. Now we have to enqueue 32. So again rear pointer will get incremented from 2 to 3 and 32 will get come here. Now we have to dequeue one element and that element we have to store in the variable queue. So the element which will get deleted here will be the element 24 as the front pointer points to it. So Q will have 24 now. Now in this question we have asked the value of S plus Q. So the addition of S plus Q will result to be 86. So the answer of this question is 86. Thank you.